Next our topic is the context based node operation. Let us see what is the word context is. It is the circumstance that form the setting of an event. So it is based on the circumstance of an event, statement or idea, and in terms of which it can be fully understood. So if you want to know the word meaning of context, we are getting in the certain form of event. Whenever certain events happens or certain statements are happens or certain ideas are occurs, and in terms which it can be fully understood, at that time only we can understood this context. A wireless sensor network node can adapt, reprogram, or do any other task using a sensor and associated circuit, computations, networking capabilities, and context at the node. By using this wireless sensor network node, you can adapt, also you can reprogram and do another task using a sensor and associated circuits. So based on that circuit, so we can do all these programs, and also we can calculate networking capabilities and the above context at that node. So we are using the context term. It may be either an event, statement, or an idea we are which fully implementing using. Okay, when node can adapt their operation in response to changes in the environment. When the device can adapt their operation in response to changes in the environment, then it is called context dependent sensing, networking, and computing. So whenever system is adapting that operation and responding to the changes in the environment, then this concept is said as context dependent sensing, networking, and computing. So it may be an event, or it may be an statement, or it may be an idea. So that systems are treated as a context dependent sensing, networking, and computing. The application layer program helps the node to differentiate the task to be undertaken on a changed context. So in this your application layer program helps. So in your application program layer only, the program helps the node, the device, to differentiate the task. So it identifies different tasks to undertake on a changed context. Whenever the context has changed, what action should be taken place should be understood at the application layer by the program. The selection of data, memory, power, and routing path management, the routing protocol, users, device, and application interface is in the WSN system can be programmed to function as per the context and consider the circumstance during networking and computations. So here we are suggesting as a selection of data, memory, power and routing path management, routing protocols, users, device, and application interfaces is the wireless sensor network system can be programmed to function as per the context and consider the circumstance during the networking and computation. So by using all these utilities, we can perform certain context and we can do the certain task in a network and computations. Context can be physical, computing, user, structural, or temporal context. So whatever the context we are using, it may be a physical, computing, user, structural, or temporal context. Let us see the correspondent to the context for reprogrammed of the action of the WSN nodes. So you just go through this point: past and present surrounding situation. So we are observing the past situation and present situation. So earlier we are coming to the class, now we are listening class via online. So this is the past and present surrounding situation. Actions such as a present network. We are also identifying what is the present network status. Earlier we are getting an high speed network. Now everyone is utilizing because of everyone is free. So everyone is fall on the network. So we are identifying the present network situation, means that action, how it performs, it is giving the better performance. Surrounding device or systems. Also we are identifying the surrounding systems as well as systems using this context based node operations. Changes in the state of a connecting network. So also we are identifying the how we are connecting the state of changes in the network. Physical parameters such as present time of the day. Also we are seeing the present time of the day as a context. Nearest connectivity currently available. Also we are identifying the nearest connectivity currently available systems. Past sequence of action of the device users. Also we are identifying in the past sequence in which order the task of the device user is performing. So all these are considering as a context based node operation of sensor network.